how to turn off specific group high priority notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off specific group high priority notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just select any group you want, like this one, and click here in the top profile and scroll down until you find this one, custom notifications. Click on it and here you will find it, use high priority notifications. Just click on it and you can turn it off, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.